welcome Mr. Deegan.
And Nora. And Porter.
And today
we have a snack race.
Woo! We got a snack race.
And he's not in this.
Yeah, because he's outside playing.
Yeah.
He's outside. Okay, so should we see what country? Yes. Drum roll, please. Ukraine! Our dad has been there.
Yeah.
Ukraine.
He was there for work.
Yeah, for work. Computer work. So he's on the computer like the whole time he's home.
Yeah.
And he comes home at like supper time. Yeah, he comes home at supper time.
What
and then
goodness is this?
Oh my.
This looks so good. All I know that it looks like sour cream and onion. I love flavor sour cream and onion.
The bad part is our dad goes to work Monday through Friday and works on his computer like the whole time.
Cheese balls.
Whoa.
Read it again.
These actually smell like cheese.
Oh yeah.
They're like, kind of like cheese puffs.
3, 2, 1. Wait. 3, 2, 1. Wait. It says sour cream and dill flavor. 3, 2, 1, go. How do you not like it? It's good. But you don't
Things are
like.
looking good.
He does not like cheese.
He hates cheese. Okay,
I
but I
So
like
good.
cheese pizza.
So good. Yeah, you're so weird.
She likes mashed potatoes, but not potatoes with skin.
I don't like skin. Okay, let's see what we have next. No! Wasabi peanuts? They're wasabi peanuts, guys.
Let's do this in a spicy challenge.
I hate wasabi. Deegan, you might say I've never even tried the wasabi. I have.
I've never tried wasabi. I said wasabi. Wasabi. Wasabi.
It smells like peanuts.
Well, if they're wasabi.
Oh, you look like candy.
They kind of
It's totally candy.
Ooh, that smells.
3, 2, 1, go.
Okay.
I forgot to put a trash bag in my trash can.
Okay, it's dying down. I'm not having those things again.
Oh, they're disgusting and spicy. That's the worst combo. Can I try snack?
Alright, yep. Eating him in, guys.
I hate this.
Oh my, that made my eyes water.
want to try.
No, they're way too spicy for you, Eden. Way too spicy.
It's wasabi.
Yeah, you won't like it.
I don't like it.
You will only tear.
Oh,
Wait, let's wait till Nora comes back, okay?
Wazabo. It's called Wazabo. I hated those.
I didn't even get water.
Thumbs down.
Thumbs down. Everyone.
No.
Eden, have you tried wasabi?
It's spicy.
No. Okay. Let's see back here, Eden. Okay, Porter, let's wait till she comes back.
Why is wasabi out here?
Wasabi?
Yeah.
Because it came in Nora's snack crate.
Yeah.
And wasabi's bad. Have you ever tried wasabi? Wasabi's very bad.
I just tried wasabi.
No, it's terrible, Eden. No, don't even get your hands on it. Is Nora back yet?
It takes a while to get a drink.
Literally.
Just like last night. Can I try these? Oh, we already did. You want to try one? Yeah.
Yeah.
You want to try one of those?
These cheap cheese puff looking things. Tough.
They
Do you like
good?
them?
Yummy. Thumbs
Yep.
up.
Ew. All right. These things that Eden just had, thumbs up. Wasabi, thumbs down. Okay, Porter. Everyone. Chat, Porter.
Okay. See what's. I win. Yeah.
All right. Eden, sit right here.
We got Roshan Kabuka Buku.
Kabuka kabuku.
We don't know how to pronounce this.
Kabuka.
Well, this is what it is.
It looks like it has like
Chocolate.
almost ice cream
Chocolate.
inside.
It does.
Wait, what?
I think it has wafers.
If it does. Oh.
I want the marshmallow part.
Wafers. It has wafers. It has wafers.
Eden, how did you know that has marshmallows in it?
Mm-hmm.
What?
Dude, that stuff
For
looks
a
good.
tiny bite.
You got a giant bite.
Mm.
Good?
Definitely good.
How did Eden know it has marshmallows in it?
Holy cow, she took 2 giant bites.
We got
Thumbs
chocolate
up.
everywhere, Eden.
Thumbs up.
Thumbs
Everywhere.
up. Every chocolate thing is a thumbs up.
Unless it has wasabi in it.
Yeah?
Like that will ever happen.
Ooh.
Yummy, yummy.
People,
No. It's dark chocolate.
sometimes dark chocolate isn't that bad.
Dark chocolate is always disgusting.
Not always.
I hate dark chocolate.
Unless dark chocolate tastes like milk chocolate.
I spoke too soon. I said chocolate is always good.
That actually looks not bad. Is there filling inside or
Wait,
whatever?
Deacon, do you need to try that one? And
Oh
you
my,
need
it
to
has
try that.
filling.
Yeah, it
Whatever.
does.
Look at that, guys. There's filling in it. That's
Yeah.
wow.
I'm gonna try it. 3, 2, 1, go.
Look at that, guys.
Mmm.
A little bite.
Mmm. Mmm.
Is that yummy?
I feel like I've tried this before.
All of it.
I have one little bite right there with the filling.
Mmm.
But that
I
one.
feel like I tried
Not all of
before.
it.
Thumbs up.
Nora's.
She didn't have all of it.
2 thumbs
Yeah,
up.
then I'll have another bite.
So good.
I can have all of it. Hinge all chocolatey.
Good.
5 stars. No, 100 stars.
No.
What is this?
It's like
Fresco. Black.
it looks like black licorice almost.
It's no.
But like it's
No.
not twisted.
I hate black licorice.
I never had black licorice.
I know.
Twizzlers, whatever. You can call it anything. It doesn't look bad, but I'm assuming it's bad.
Oh, doesn't smell that bad.
Never judge a book by its cover.
Oh,
Those actually look good.
Okay.
What in the world? Try to break it. Whoa, that looks so good.
Are you ready? Yummy.
She's already eating it. Order.
And then.
Smell good. Smell like Twizzlers.
Ow.
Of course, you give me the small one.
Vanilla in
3, 2,
them.
1, go.
Never judge a book by its cover.
Vanilla.
Okay, is there anything else?
See.
Yep. These look so good.
Good job, Eden.
Called Fizzy Boom.
Ow. Fizzy.
Boom.
Fizzy boom. I want to try some.
We are going to try some.
Okay.
Oh, it looks like a hard candy.
Oh, yeah, it does. I think I've tried those.
You have not. This is from Ukraine. You've never tried these before, Porter.
I still in the store. Holy cow. Wow.
Then I only have one left if we each have one. Jeez.
Well, then you take one, Porter, then me, then Eden.
Ew.
Hey, at least you get to go first. I'm going before Porter, though. You don't care?
Here. I don't like orange that much.
Okay, you can spit it out now.
Ew! What are we doing? We're gonna get coronavirus.
We're siblings.
Sure.
Is it good?
Ew, we are disgusting peeps.
Yeah.
No, she won't.
My tongue.
She's already...
Did you bite it, Eden? Is it fizzy?
fizzy. Okay, guys, I think it was fizzy, and Eda did not like that. She started crying. It's okay.
It's okay, Eden.
Right, do we have anything else, or is that it?
That's it.
That's it.
Okay, I'm gonna put everything
It's
back
fizzy.
in. Oh, those are good.
Never judge a book by its cover. What?
How come this is so much bigger? The one that we got was so small.
Yeah, good.
Maybe
Maybe
it
it broke.
I'm trying one more piece of this.
Okay. Even though you know what it tastes like.
It's so good.
I know.
She knows what it tastes like.
Eden. Ew, guys, close your
crunchy.
mouth. Stop.
Okay, guys. Well, that's all we have for the snack cart. So, thank you guys so much for watching.
Subscribe. Bye.